There's an easy way to put your whole system, installed system of MX Linux, to a USB, a live USB. First we're gonna make a snapshot, but we have to unmount the USB before that. I use PC file manager and right click, unmount volume. I'm gonna check in tuner. Yes, it's unmounted. Now we're gonna make a snapshot. We preserve our own account for personal backup. If you have installed Virtualbox, the folder will be too large, so I exclude this, and I always clean up my downloads if there are ISOs in there which are too large. So next, click OK, our password, and we authenticate. During the creation of the snapshot, you can't do anything on your computer because this will interfere with this process. It didn't take long to make the snapshot, and there's always a warning: more than 1024 cylinders. Not all bioses will be able to boot from this device, but you can put it to USB and try for yourself. On my computers it always worked. So click OK. We close. And now we're gonna put it to USB, MX Tools, make MX Live USB Maker. Here you have to choose unmount every other USB but the one you want to choose for the live USB. That's my SanDisk. Here you select the ISO file. I only have one from today, but there may be others. If you make several snapshots, you click open, and I always take a read-only live USB. You can take a full-featured mode, a writable persistent live USB. I take this one, click on next. These actions will destroy all data. OK, and you click yes. And afterwards you can boot from this USB, and it will have your whole system on it.